Hello, students of class 10. Today we will understand about session 4 from unit 2 document template. Student, as you know, the term template refers to a simple document which already has some details in place in the form of picture or text and can be edited to be used in the word processing text. It is pre-formatted in some way with sample content, themes, colors, font styles, background styles, etc. and gives an initial foundation to build a document. In this session, children, you will learn to work with document templates. The student here, we will understand about the template. As you know, the template is a sample having a preset format with the sample content. As I told you, the images, content, themes, or text which can be modified to save the time. So here is such a pre-formatted as a pre-structured design which you can apply in your document very easily without the wasting the time here. As first we will understand here the way of creating the templates here. As we find there are two way to create as a template. First, as a create blank, as a you can find here the creating a blank template, and second, creating template on existing template. To children, we understand by here two method to learn the creating the templates here. The first is here the creating template. So now children, we let here understand to create the template by two ways, as a creating template and creating template on existing template. So let's hear as a first we understand to let to know about creating a blank template. So here as a student, as a creating a template, as you know, a template can be created in the Word by saving a document as a .dotx or .dot file. So there are two ways of creating a template, as I told you, creating blank template and creating template on existing template. So first of all, we understand here to create the creating a blank templates. So let's have a look of this image, what I'm going to show you. Children, to create a blank template, you have to follow some steps here. So first of all, you can see on the screen as a given here. Now let's start here as a first screen as a showing here. If what you will do first you will click on the new option as given here on the file tab. You will click on the file tab and you find here the new option in the this file tab. A gallery of templates will be displayed. By default, the blank document option, this is you can see here. When you click on the new option, the gallery means available templates show you here. Okay, first of all, that will show as a first in the row, that is a blank template, and now you can see is selected as shown in the figure here. So after that, the clicking on that, you will find here this is the second step here to create button present on the extreme right task of pan here. A new document will open up, make the desired changes in the page layout like margin settings, styles, orientations. You can also have a the specify the header and footer contents like the page number, date, time, and graphics here. Then after student we can find the after specifying all the required and desired setting, click on the save as options on the file tab, specifying all the required here desired settings, and click as a on the save as a file tab, specify the name of for the templates in the file name text box, and select word template in the save as type list box, and then after last in click on the save button here. Now next here children, we find the creating a template on the existing template, or you can say using the existing design template. So here we find as a built some templates in the software. Only you have to choose the proforma or design for your templates, and you have to apply with your as a design. No need to as a create or design or something. Okay, only you have to apply that design in your document. So let's have a how can we create as a existing design on our document. So let's here as a follow some step what I'm to telling you here. Children, first click on the new option on the file tab. A gallery of templates will be displayed. This is the same as I told you earlier about the creating blank templates. But here, as we will click on the new from the existing options that is a given here, you can see the existing options as a this is here the given the existing options. Now it is a template to create, but as we available template we can click on this here as a present the under the available templates here. This is a as a given the templates. So what we will select here, we select here new from existing document dialog box will open. So first we click here as a setting templates. You can see here the setting templates as given here, and after the clicking here we find here the next dialog box as here we find the available in the available templates as a sample templates. These are the some templates in the newer version. You can see also children, you can see this is the newer version of the MS Word, and you can select the any performer, any design, any layout for your document to prepare the templates here. The student, you can see children, you can see here one by one it is showing here as the performer for the different as for the given the design and okay templates. So we can select any one from this uh, pre design and preformer here, and now after that click on the create a new button. When you click on the create a new button, then it lets to create a document will be displayed containing the settings of the chosen base template. Make necessary changes what do you want, and then click on the save as option on the file tab, and specify the name for the template in the file name text box, and select a word template in the save as type the list box. Okay, then after using we find here some as template related to the with children. We can create the templates by two method here, and some as a built in the templates. Built in the templates means suppose as you have kept that templates, you have applied the different templates design in your document, and you want to only as a present to create present that okay, something you want to change the different only little bit on that, you can choose that as a template. So for that what you will do that here, as here you can see the screen of the creating built in the templates. The first you will click on the new options. You can see on the screen here is a given. You can see on the as a new option in the file tab a gallery templates. You can see this is a gallery templates will be displayed as shown in the figure. Click on the sample templates here. The as you can find this is here the given of the sample. This is the sample available on the templates here. The student you can find the sample. This is a blank here, but here the samples of different types of the as a templates. You can click on that. These are the available which you require. You can click on that. And now next sample here as a this point as a given. Click on this, you will find this okay dialog box. Next for you will find the preview of the selected template in the preview pane present on the Windows extreme right. Select the template radio button, okay, then in the preview pane and click on the create button. Okay, here as a create document, it is for the document. You can click on that and you can choose from the wide range of many other templates present under the as a office.com template section. Here click on the templates category, say even two options of the gallery of templates, and last as a step choose the select required category from the gallery, say holiday party invitation, and click on the download button in the preview pane. To children, as I told you about these template, how to create the blank existing and built in the templates. So I think you will read about and you will see this video properly, and by looking this video you can do the practical at your home as using the software as MS Word or openoffice.org. You can use both for as a practical. The children's, I think you will learn this properly and thoroughly, and now prepare all the things properly for your exam. The student, thank you for watching this video.